Introducing the upgraded Cuisinart Airfryer Toaster Oven with Grill, the ultimate kitchen companion that takes your cooking to the next level. Now, in addition to airfrying, baking, and warming up your favorite dishes, you can enjoy the versatility of searing steaks and griddling a delicious breakfast on the dual-sided grill and griddle plate. With its spacious 8-function oven, this premium appliance makes cooking for family and friends or preparing a quick snack for yourself a breeze. Get ready to experience a new level of culinary delight right on your countertop. Here are the key features of Cuisinart Airfryer Plus Convection Toaster Oven. Versatile cooking functions. The Cuisinart Airfryer Toaster Oven with Grill is a powerhouse with its premium 1800-watt performance. It offers a range of cooking functions including airfry, toast, convection bake, convection broil, grill, and warming. With its wide temperature range, you have complete control over your cooking process, allowing you to achieve perfect results every time. Ample capacity for your culinary creations. This kitchen marvel is designed to accommodate your cooking needs. Whether you're toasting 6 slices of bread, airfrying 3 pounds of chicken wings, baking a 12-inch pizza, or roasting a 4-pound chicken, the Cuisinart Airfryer Toaster Oven with Grill has the capacity to handle it all. Say goodbye to limited space and embrace the freedom to cook larger portions with ease. Superior operation for precision cooking. Equipped with an adjustable temperature dial, a 60-minute timer with auto shutoff, and a toast shade selector, this appliance ensures that your meals are cooked to perfection. Whether you prefer a golden brown toast or a well-seared steak, the Cuisinart Airfryer Toaster Oven with Grill offers precise control over your cooking process, giving you the results you desire. Convenient accessories and easy cleanup. The Cuisinart Airfryer Toaster Oven with Grill comes complete with essential accessories to enhance your cooking experience. It includes an oven light, oven rack, baking pan, airfree basket, grill, and a non-stick easy clean interior. Enjoy hassle-free cleanup after each use, and spend more time enjoying your delicious meals. Conclusion: upgrade your culinary prowess with the Cuisinart Airfryer Toaster Oven with Grill. This premium appliance combines the functionality of an air fryer, toaster oven, and grill, offering a wide range of cooking options to satisfy your cravings. With its spacious capacity, superior operation, and convenient accessories, this versatile appliance is a must-have for any kitchen. Trust in the Cuisinart brand's commitment to quality and durability, backed by a limited 3-year warranty. Elevate your cooking game and unlock a world of culinary possibilities with the Cuisinart Airfryer Toaster Oven with Grill.